Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, September 18th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Swiss, and we are on the 4-hour time frame. So, anyways, on the US dollar Swiss, we did have a nice little push up yesterday at the news, FOMC. We definitely do have a break of structure, but the reality of this situation is that the break of structure that we have only proves to me that this wave from here to here is over. This potentially could just make like a three-way pullback to a Fibonacci level and just keep on going down. So really, when there's something like this happens, there's literally only two things that can happen. It's either going to make a pullback to this last wave down, most likely like a three-way pattern to a fib level and continue the downtrend, or it's going to make higher highs, higher lows, and it's going to go up and give us this breaker structure, which will tell us that it really is a real trend reversal. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, I personally would be trying to get long. And hopefully while we're looking for logs, we're either going to learn or earn whether it goes up and breaks structure or whether it makes a corrective pattern like what I was explaining on the 4 hour time frame. So I got my Fibonacci retracement here. If we make some sort of a three-way pullback to a Fibonacci level and a nice engulfing move to the upside, then I definitely would take it as a long. Then I would expect to either see a 1, 2, 3, which would break structure, or I would expect to see a ABC, which would go to that 4 hour time frame Fibonacci level and then continue back down. So if we pay attention to our fib levels, pay attention to our structure, we hopefully will be able to tell whether this right here is a significant bottom in the market or not. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.